So in the first example, you're asked to find the distance between these points. So nothing is given about the angle between the coordinate axis. So in a default case, we take the axis as rectangular coordinate axis. So x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given. So the distance between the points is root of x2 minus x1. You can take any point as x1, y1, any point as x2, y2. Doesn't really matter. It's not necessary that the first one has to be taken as x1, y1. The second is taken as x2, y2. So you can take them in any order. So let these be x2, y2. So let these coordinates be x1, y1. So x2 is 5, y2 is 6, x1 is 2, y1 is 3. So x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 3 whole square. That is equal to root of 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 square, 9 plus 6 minus 3 is also equal to 3, 3 square is 9, root 18 is nothing but 3 root 2. Now let us go to the next question. So the distance is equal to root of, again, x2 minus x1, 5 minus of minus 2. So you have to take the sign into consideration. So and use the exact same formula, x2 minus x1, 5 minus of minus 2 whole square, that is 5 plus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 whole square. That is equal to root of 5 plus 2 is 7, square is 49, 5, 3 minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8, whole square is 64. That is equal to 113, root of 113. So that will be the distance between these 2 points. Next, let us take these 2 points. Distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 7 minus of minus 3 is plus 3 whole square. So minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 whole square is minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus 7 plus 3 is also equal to minus 4 whole square is 16. That is equal to root 32 is 4 root 2. Next, if you have these 2 points, distance is equal to root of minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 square. That is equal to root of 16 plus 36 is equal to root of 52. Root of 52. So you can take 2 outside. This is 4 into 13. So this is 2 root 13. So this is how you find the distance between 2 points. So you have to use the formula along with the signs of the given numbers. You should not change the signs by yourself. You apply the exact same formula, you get the right answers.